Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make chicken cacciatore. Chicken cacciatore is an easy one skillet meal the whole family will love. You can serve it up plain by itself or over rice or pasta. Let's head on over to the stove and get started. Get 2 tablespoons of olive oil heating in a large skillet over medium-high heat. You'll also want to melt 1 tablespoon of butter. We're gonna add in 6 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Season these with salt and black pepper. I do about half a teaspoon of each. And then you also wanna dust these chicken thighs with a 1/4 cup of flour. And of course, be sure to get both sides. Brown off the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. It won't be all the way cooked through yet, but you wanna pull it out from the pan, put it on a plate and set it aside. Then you'll add in 1 sliced yellow bell pepper, 1 red sliced bell pepper, and about 8 ounces of sliced mushroom. The last veggie is 1 white diced onion. You're gonna saute this for about 7 to 10 minutes until tender. There's no need to clean out the pan or anything in between the chicken and veggies. You want to make sure you don't lose any of that flavor that's been building up on the bottom of the pan. Once those veggies start to get soft, we'll add in 6 ounces of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and if you want to give this a little kick, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We're going to let this all cook and mix in that tomato paste. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then we'll pour in 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, or it's also called passata in some parts of the world, half a cup of red wine. If you don't want to use wine, you can also use chicken broth, and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. What we're going to do is give this a quick stir to combine and reduce the heat so it's just simmering. And then we're going to return our chicken into the sauce. Let this simmer over low heat until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which should take somewhere around 15 minutes. And I do spoon the sauce over the top of each chicken thigh. Just before serving, garnish with 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.